Now let's move on to the last question related to this tally chart. Look at the chart. How many tallies in all? In all means that I want to know the total number, okay? We are going to look at the chart and we are going to count how many tallies in all, okay? Here the number is 4 and here 10. Here is another 4. So I'm going to add these three numbers. 4 plus 10, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 4 plus 10 is 14. I'm going to add 14 to the 4. Okay, after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the total number of tallies is 18. So I need to shade in the bubble which represents 18 tally marks. Let's look here. This is the first choice, okay? Let's add together. Here is 5 tally marks and 3 more. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is not correct, okay? Because I need to find 18 tally marks. Here is 5 and 5. The total is 10 tally marks. So this is also not correct. Here 5 and 5 is 10. 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 plus 4 is after 10. 18, 9, after 10, sorry, I mean 11, 12, 13, 14. So the total number of tallies is here 14. Let's look at the last choice that we have. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 5 more, we are going to count after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Till here, it's 15. Let's add the 3 more that we have after 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is the right number of tally marks, because when we added here these 3 numbers, the total was 18. So we are going to bubble or shade this bubble because this is the correct number of tally marks. Let's move on to another tally chart that was made for 2 types of fish, zebrafish and angelfish, okay? I'm the one who made these tally marks. You can also do the tally marks on your own, okay? Choose whatever numbers you would like and draw them, okay? Or do them in the tally chart. Let's go over the questions now together. Question number 1, how many zebrafish are in the tank? Again, how many zebrafish are in the tank? Let's count together. Here, this is 5 and 2 more, 6, 7. So the total number is 7. So there are 7 zebrafish in the tank. Question number 2, how many more zebrafish than angelfish are there? When I say how many more, I'm going to subtract. I'm going to subtract 7 minus 4 because this is the total number of zebrafish and this is the total number of angelfish. So I'm going to subtract these 2 numbers in order to know the answer. 7 minus 4, we are going to count from the small to the big number. So the answer is 3. Question number 3. How many zebra fish and angelfish are in the tank? So he is asking about the total number. Okay, so obviously I have to add. In order to know the total number, I need to add the 2 numbers that I have, 7 and 4. 7 plus 4 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11 fish are in the tank. Let's move on to the last tally chart that we have for today. Which of these snacks do most children like the best? Ask 10 children. Make 1 tally mark for each child's answer. Okay. If he said to ask 10 friends, so that means that the number of tally marks should not be more than 10. Okay, I need to make sure that the number of tally marks that I put is not more than 10, because the question is ask 10 friends, only 10 friends. He specified for me a number of friends that I should ask them. Okay, so I chose 5 for pretzel, I chose 3 for apple, and 2 for yogurt. Okay, so these are the snacks that I have, and here are my tally marks. Here is 5, here 3, and here 2. Let's go over the questions together. How many children chose pretzel? How many children chose pretzel? This is, as we said at the beginning of our session, 5. So we are going to write 5. Question number 5. How many children chose yogurt? We are going to count 1, 2. So 2 children chose yogurt. Here, which snack do most children like best? Okay, which of these snacks, okay, did the most children choose, or the most children prefer or favor? Okay, obviously it's the pretzel. Why? Because this is the largest number of students. Okay, 5 is the biggest number of these 3 numbers. So obviously the most children like the pretzel snack. Okay, let's move on to the last question. What if 6 children out of the 10 chose pretzel? Okay, what if 6 children, it means that if 6 out of the 10 chose pretzel, which snack would be the favorite? It's still the pretzel. Why? Because it's already 5 children who chose or favor the pretzel. So the number of children who favor the pretzel is already the biggest of all. So if 6 children out of the 10 chose pretzel, which snack would be the favorite? It's still the pretzel, okay? Because we already said that 5 favor the pretzel. 5 is bigger than 3, and 5 is bigger than also 2. If it's 6, 6 is also bigger than 3, and it's also bigger than 2. So the favorite snack is still the pretzel, okay? Now we've reached to the end of our session. I hope you've understood everything about the tally chart and the tally marks. Thank you everyone for listening. See you in the next session. Take care everyone. Bye.